Hi, I'm Joe Justice, your instructor for this course. I'm the founder and chair of the Agile Business Institute. I've been Scrum Master for Bill Gates. I've been an Agile consultant to the leadership teams at Amazon. And I've operated Agile at Tesla for Elon Musk. I've been the Certified Scrum Trainer for Daisuke Toyota, the next CEO of Toyota, and the CEO of all of Bosch Company. We will be using my book, Scrum Master, for this course, and remote working Agile tools like Zoom and Miro. I'm very excited to handle your Agile business questions, your Agile hardware, product development, and software questions, Agile in financial services, etc. The primary outcome from taking this course is faster pace of innovation for your company, across the entire company, procurement, project planning, project execution, in hardware, software, financial services, all types of business. I look forward to working with you and your teams. Thank you very much.